What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're doing another autocross event today. The other car is still broken, so I'm gonna bring Layla, which is my other MR2 for those who don't know. This one is literally bone stock. As you can see, it even has the stock air filter there. Only thing that's aftermarket is the rims. Anyways though, we're gonna head off. It should be a lot of fun today as always. And then the other two things are, first of all, this is actually a new venue that no one's ever driven before. So I'm very excited based off the course map that everyone was emailed. It looks like a really long course. So instead of the typical like 30-second course, I think we're looking at 60-ish seconds. The second thing, as always, the plan is just to get as sideways as possible without getting kicked. So let's hop on over to that driving.
They should be gripping. Sorry. Woo. Woo. A little too hot.